Within the 12-acre Satlok ashram of self-styled Godman is this bungalow of Rampal. As you can see, it is a multi-storied bungalow. It is spread over a large piece of land. It's got a huge iron gate. As you enter, you can see there are rooms and bathrooms on either side. If I may ask Yogesh to show you, there are petrol bombs that have been kept over here. As you can see, that shows the preparedness of the supporters of the Godman. Also, they have kept these marbles, and a few minutes back there was also a catapult that had been kept over here. Also kept are these pichkaris that could have been used to sprinkle petrol over the forces who were trying to get into this particular premises. If I may ask Yogesh to walk in further and show you, there is a courtyard as you enter beyond the entrance gate. First of all, I would like Yogesh to show you the swimming pool of the self-styled Godman, the lavish luxury with which this Godman used to live. He used to claim that he is preaching, but however, this is the kind of luxury he was living in. As you can see, this is a multi-storied building. It has several rooms, several bathrooms inside. If I may ask Yogesh to further take you inside the house, this is the entrance to the first floor of this house. As you enter, you can see a huge hall, and this is a very elevated bed. As you can see, large quantities of linen lying over here, all across and everywhere. You see pictures of the self-styled Godman. A large number of blankets also kept over here. This is just the ground floor of this particular mansion in which Godman Rampal used to stay. Also, that is one of the cupboards which has a large number of clothes lying. As you can see, they are all unused new clothes. He would not have been wearing one piece of clothes more than a single time. If we may go in further and show you, this leads to another hall. Clearly shows that there were not many occupants, and the self-styled Godman was staying here all by himself in this particular floor of the bungalow inside the Satlok ashram. Also, if we may move in, as you can see, there is also a security vault inside. That is a security vault. The police have not yet been able to open this. They will try and break into this to find out what really has been kept inside this particular safety vault. Also, there are more rooms, multiple rooms everywhere, multiple bathrooms, and this is just the ground floor of this multi-storied bungalow here inside the Satlok ashram. With video journalist Yogesh Bharadwaj, Vijay Kao inside Satlok ashram, Hisar, for Times Now.